Chicken and green beans dish. 134 calories only. We'll be needing a small bunch of green beans, cleaned from both edges, as you see. Place them in a small pot filled with water and bring them to boil. Then cover and simmer for 5 minutes. Prepare 2 garlic cloves, peeled and minced. Prepare 1 baby potato, sliced thinly in the manner that you see. Prepare a small piece of fresh red chili, diced thinly in the manner that you see. On a medium heat, squeeze into a small skillet half of lemon juice. Then add the 2 cloves of minced garlic. Add 1/8 teaspoon of white pepper. Then add a dash of nutmeg and 1/8 teaspoon of salt. Bring to boil. Then add the 95 grams of chicken fillet. Cook 5 minutes on each side. And add 1 tablespoon of water. Every time the water evaporates, keep adding 1 tablespoon of water after the other. After 5 minutes, the water will be dry. Let's add another 1 tablespoon of water and then add the mini thinly sliced potato and flip the chicken. We continue cooking the chicken for another 5 minutes and then take it out of the pan. When the bunch of boiled green finishes, take them out and place them on a plate. And then take the chicken and place it on top of the green beans. Now the pan is dry. Let's add another 1 tablespoon of water and then simmer the potato for 3 minutes. When the potato is done, add it to the dish along with the sauce on top. Then garnish with the chopped red chili peppers. This dish is only 134 calories. Enjoy it with a piece of a 30-calorie wheat bran bread.